guys, I'm playing video. Oke guys, jadi di dalam video kali ini kita akan tunjukkan kalian pasal hal yang lucu seram. Sudah ada dua makhluk yang jadi kucing yang sangat besar guys. Oh my goodness. Dapatnya apa guys? Jadi kita akan langsung ke mana-mana saja. Nah, ini di sini. Apa nih guys? Kecap apa tuh guys? Kecap ya? Itu kecil ya. Apa tuh bang?
Hey, how you doing? No, just landed. No, I'm not watching TV. Why?
Kita berada di sini
What?
guys. Oh my goodness.
Wait, what?
Coming to you live from Ground Zero.
Hold on.
Seems to be a freak occurrence. What looks like a 100-foot-tall cat is stampeding its way towards the Empire State Building, wreaking havoc on the way. The police advise everyone to stay indoors and take cover as the cat is unpredictable in its movements and can bite or claw at any time. It's unknown why or how this cat is going to
Oh my goodness.
This catastrophic event is shaking the city to its core.
Tiba-tiba ada kucing menangkap hidupku. Terus tuh kucing tuh tiba-tiba menipu kita guys. Udah tahu aku macam mana dia punya cerita. Dan kita akan tengok yang seterusnya. Yang seterusnya nih ada kucing-kucing yang besar lagi guys. No my goodness. Itu sangat seram guys. Jadi kita akan pilih yang mana tadi kan friends, sudah pilih yang satu. Jadi kita yang ini yang
My name is Corey Williams, and I am the owner of the world's largest house cat.
Itu dia. Itu dari luar sana.
If I could use one word to describe Sparta, I'd probably use loving. Sparta is currently about 550 feet tall and about 90 tons, give or take. I don't even know for sure. Like, just look at it. He's huge. You know, one of the biggest problems we face with our cat Sparta is climate change. I mean, really, it depends on what side of the property he's on. If he stands on the west side too much, then, you know, it just gets really cold. Things die, and because he's just so big, he blocks the sun. But we've set him on the other side, and it's like a desert because no storms will come in. Feel that? That's him breathing. We did try to get Guinness out here, but Guinness, when they came out, they just said no. They're not doing it. He was just too scary, and I think he crushed one of their helicopters. That's right, crushed one of their helicopters. So this is it's not a rake. A lot of people use this for raking leaves. I actually use this to pet him and to de-shed, but it takes a long time to de-shed. I was gonna get like a tractor with a nice thing on the back, but you can't drive a tractor up. So I just kind of get a scaffold and just kind of scrape the hair off of him like this. Seems to work the best. You know, what's really nice about having a big cat, though, is you never lose him. Like, you always know where he's at. Like, I mean, he's clearly right there, just, you know, sitting, doing nothing. I just know he's sleeping. I can't tell. He's just so big. Which is the front, which is the back. Another thing that's kind of hard is traveling. I would love to travel, but this cat is just...
Kucing itu dari luar sana guys.
So attached to me, it's like he goes wherever I go. My friend Manish, he wanted me to go to India with him, but I couldn't. Like, do you know how much it would cost to ship a cat that big anyway? Not to mention customs. I like, what do you even do for that? He's been sleeping for a while. Let's see if we can wake him up. Cat!
Jangan panggil dia. Oh, my goodness.
He's awake. You know, a lot of people think that the children's book that I wrote about him was a fictional book, but actually it's a true story. I mean, he is really this big. By the way, if you want to buy that book, down below in the video description, there is a link to it on Amazon. My name is Corey Williams, and I am the owner of the world's largest house cat.
Oh, itu gimana? dan kita akan beruntung. Oke guys, jadi di dalam video kali ini kita akan bercoba dan kita akan bercoba dan bye bye.